this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Spoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
Get you home.
Baby danced like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Evacuate guard.
Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. I have the girl's picture.
Well, I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got Boo's door set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
We're almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Get it up, get it up! It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go.
Nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately
You all have to go decontaminated.
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 99%.